Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, there's no cooking today because I wanted to dedicate this video to all of you, my loyal, genuine, authentic subscribers who have helped me get to my first 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I also wanted to go over the monetization process for anybody who has a YouTube channel and wants to learn what the real monetization process is. And that information would be for those who are not aware of how to get monetized on YouTube. Plus, I have some special news, exciting news at the end of this video, so make sure to watch all the way to the end to see what I want to share with you guys. Subscribe to my channel before we start, and now let's get into the video. So let me start off this video by saying a huge thank you to all of you who have taken the time out to click on my videos, to view my videos, to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos, or even if you disliked it, it's okay. I cannot please everyone, and that's completely fine by me. I have received so many kind and sweet comments from so many of you, like hundreds and thousands of you, and it just really truly means so much to me, especially when you try out my recipes and they turn out perfect, just the way you wanted them to be and just the way I wanted them to turn out for you guys. It just makes my heart melt. It just fills my heart with so much love. I feel like we are slowly and surely building a nice little foodie family and nice little foodie community within my channel, What's Cooking with Fariyal. So I really appreciate it. You have no idea. For a small channel like mine and the way I started this channel, I never thought that I would reach this point of having more than 1,000 subscribers. So I really wanted to genuinely thank you from the bottom of my heart, how grateful I am to all of you, and just, let's keep growing and let's keep building this foodie family. And I just appreciate you guys being here. So thank you to every single one of you who have liked, subscribed, and commented on my videos. I also wanted to talk about people who are starting new YouTube channels. There's new YouTube channels every single day, and sometimes it's really hard to get recognized. Trust me, I've been there, but you really have to keep pushing. Think about your first initial goal that you set for yourself. Remember, getting to 1,000 subscribers and getting those 4,000 watch hours, which is not the same as the 4,000 views, and I'll get into that just in a second. To get to that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that's a goal that YouTube set for you. You did not think starting off that, okay, once I get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that's it. Trust me, the real work starts after you get to that point that YouTube set for you. You have to have your own goals as well, whether that is you want to film 100 videos in your first year, which is completely doable, or any other type of goal. If you just want 500 subscribers in your first year, or whatever your goal is, however big or small that is, conquer that goal. Make sure that you put your all in it. Trust me, YouTube is not something that is so easy. We watch videos all day on YouTube. The way people edit their videos or even film their videos, it looks like such easy work, but it's really not. It's a lot of hard work, but that's the magic of this game. It's fun. You have to have fun with it. Don't think of it as work, even though it is a lot of work. Just keep doing it, keep improving. Don't let negative people who comment on your videos, if they don't like your videos, don't delve into that too much. Just ignore the haters, ignore the people who leave negative comments on your videos. Focus on the people, and it will be the majority of the people who are going to like your videos, who are going to comment on your videos on how great your video was or how much value your video brought to them. So just focus on those people and you are going to be just fine. Just keep going, stay laser focused, and just think about why you started your channel or why you started whatever, even if it was a business. Think about why you started something new and stay focused and just keep going, keep improving, and don't let any negative thoughts or negative people get in the way of anything. To get to this point, I had to stay consistent. I had to stay persistent with my goal. Trust me, I was stuck at 50 subscribers for like a good month, and then suddenly my numbers started going up. It takes a while sometimes, and then sometimes YouTube recognizes you. So just keep going, stay positive, and you're going to get there. So as I said earlier, I wanted to go over the monetization process and how to join the YouTube Partner Program, which is in short YPP. For those of you who have a YouTube channel, if you just started or if you recently started and you're trying to get to the monetization process, as you may already know or you may not know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And as I said earlier, 4,000 watch hours is not equal to 4,000 views. 4,000 views is just 4,000 times somebody clicked on your videos, or your entire channel got 4,000 views in total, but it is not equal to 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours is 4,000 hours that people spent watching your videos. That's a lot of time. It is not that easy to get there. The 1,000 plus subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours kind of go hand in hand. Once you start getting closer to the 1,000 subscribers, you are also going to get close to 4,000 watch hours. And then once you have completed the requirements of getting the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that is when YouTube will either send you an email to apply to their YouTube partner program, or you can just check on your YouTube Studio and check your analytics. If you are ready to start the next process, you can apply and get monetized. That process does take maybe like a few days or up to like a month, as they say. It's a 3-step process. You have to verify your information. You have to get Google AdSense connected to your email address, the Gmail email address that you use for your YouTube channel. And then you also have to agree to some terms and conditions and sign some disclosures, and that's pretty much it. That takes a few weeks, sometimes a few days. For me personally, it only took like 3 or 4 days of waiting, which was not that long. Once everything is looking good on their end and they approve your application, that is when you can monetize all of your videos. And basically what monetization means is then you can add advertisements on your videos, which will make money for your channel and give you a little revenue. It is not a lot. I'm not going to say that it's hundreds of dollars coming in right away. It's definitely not like that. That is why you have to keep creating and keep making content. If your videos are too short, then you won't be able to control where you place your ads. YouTube will automatically do that for you. But if your videos are longer than 8 minutes, that's when you can control your ads and how many ads you want to show. The more ads you show in your videos, obviously you are going to make a little bit more money than if it was a shorter video and YouTube is controlling that part of your revenue. So create videos that are within the YouTube parameters and their rules so that you do not get demonetized. That can also happen, so just be careful once you get monetized. I did forget to mention that even after they approve your application, you still have to verify some further information on your account, on your Google AdSense account. So for that, they are going to be sending you this Google AdSense in your mail. It's a documentation that has a PIN, and you have to input that PIN into your account, and that way you verify your account information, and then from there you are officially monetized. Before that, you can monetize your videos, but you will not get paid until you put the PIN that comes in this Google AdSense mail. And then depending on your location in the world, you also have to fill out some tax information, some tax forms, and that's fine because you do have to pay taxes. Even if it's a little amount that you are making with YouTube, it's okay. You still have to pay taxes. That's the legal thing to do. And lastly, the news that I wanted to share with you all was that I am going to be launching my own e-cookbook. It is a compilation of some recipes that I've already shared on my channel, but I wanted to just compile them in one location so that you can just have it. It's going to be a really fun little e-cookbook. It's not going to be anything expensive, very, very affordable. So whenever it launches, you are going to know the price of it, but it's just going to be a compilation of some of my favorite recipes and also some traditional recipes, traditional Pakistani recipes, and then some favorite desserts and some really popular desserts that I have shared on my channel that became highly popular with a lot of you guys, especially like my banana nut bread, and then other favorites that you guys have. So I'm really excited for it. You can view this e-cookbook on your phone, you can print it out, you can view it on your tablet, you can view it on your computer or your laptop. You can put it in your kitchen as you cook and just read through the whole ingredients list and the method of preparation. You can even click on the recipe title and it will take you to my YouTube channel so that we can cook together, so you can watch my video as you cook and everything will be there step by step. So it's going to be really fun and interactive. I hope you guys purchase that cookbook and support me and my channel. So stay tuned for that. In the next coming weeks, I will be talking more about it, and I will let you guys know when I launch my e-cookbook. So that was it for today's video. I really wanted to just take my time and thank you guys and just go over the monetization process with you and talk about my very first e-cookbook, which I'm very excited about. So just keep an eye out for that in the upcoming videos. So again, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel, left some beautiful comments for me. Like, they just really make my day when I read some sweet comments from you guys. It really means so much. Like, I can't say thank you enough, because thank you is just not enough to express my gratitude for having you here in my channel. So let's keep cooking together and let's keep growing together. Thank you for all of your support, and thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, guys. If you have any suggestions or recipes that you want to see on my channel, definitely leave some comments below and let me know what you guys would like to see on my channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.